Hi everyone, my name is Vrisha. Today is the 7th of January 2023 and I'm going to be going over the progress check for my front testing of Tesla for the option chain analysis based predictions. Obviously, we'll be reviewing this week's prediction, going over the statistics and obviously seeing how it has changed since last week. So without further ado, we can see that last week we had no P&L, of course, because it was no action, because I did think the market was going to go sideways. This week, however, my prediction was that Tesla was to go down. And Tesla opened the week at 250.08 and it closed at 237.49, giving us a P&L of 12.59. And that in percent is 5.03%. So obviously that's the same as our cumulative since we don't have any other data right now. But this is a very, very significant number. As we can see, 5% in a week is humongous profit. And that's just obviously, that's all that we have right now. But obviously stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I'll see you next time. And if you want and you're interested, you can go to the video and watch the SPX option chain analysis. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching and enjoy.